What's up, y'all? Are you ready to set up some sexy window blinds today? Do you want to go from being bare naked to fully functional? Well, I'm here to show you how we install these pull-down window blinds from Lowe's, and my handy-dandy dad here will be assisting us today. Before you purchase your blinds, you want to measure your window's width and length so you'll know which blinds to get. Otherwise, you'll make a boo-boo mistake like I did.
So we end up getting the wrong size window blinds for our window. It's too small, so we got two 34.5, and we're just gonna return the 33.5 later on. So it's important to keep your receipts, okay?
Here are the supplies you'll need and what the box came with. We got the Project Source brand. It's a cordless window blind, so it's easy to pull down. You're gonna need your blinds, the pole that comes with it, 3 metal attachment clippers, a wall drill, measuring tape, screwdrivers, screws that came with the blinds, and a pencil. Okay, first, I measured where I'm gonna put the 3 metal clippers on the wall by measuring the blinds itself and where the clippers need to go. There's placement for the left, the middle, and the right, and make sure the clippers can fit in the spot. I highly suggest testing it out by inserting the clippers first before installing, okay? Next, you're gonna measure where on the walls you will drill the holes to put the clippers in. There's 2 screws, and the clippers have 2 top holes and side holes, so it just depends where on the wall you will drill. For us, it's the top hole, so we used a pencil to circle in the holes using one of the clippers to help us draw the holes in. We did this measurement and technique for the other 2 clippers. Here's an up-close view of my dad's perfect drawing measurements, y'all. Now, we're going to drill every single hole we drew. I highly advise to drill with a small drill head first, that way you can work those screws in. Then, you're gonna get your screws that came with the set and your clippers, and you're gonna screw her in real good and tight. Make sure you put your clipper exactly where you drew the lines and the holes in. And take those screws and put them exactly where you drew the holes in. You may use your electric drill to screw her in fast and hard. Or you can use a screwdriver if you like to take it slow and easy for those hard to reach places. So after you screw in your clippers, the next step, you're going to pop in the blinds into the clippers. As you can see, the metal has a push part where you will push it down and put the blinds in the top part first and then clip it in place. You'll know it's in because it'll make a k-k sound. Make sure to clip it in for all 3 clippers. Whoop whoop, and you can pull it down to test it now. I'm gonna show y'all again with the other window how to clip it in place. Push in the metal from the top. Clip it in place. And test it out by pulling the curtain blinds down. Last step is easy, y'all. You're gonna work this pole here and hook it in the little hook on the side top, and there y'all have it. Easy to install window blinds. I love that it's easy to pull down and push up so you don't ever have to deal with those ropes and messed up blinds again. I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial. Hit the subscribe button, like, bell, you know the drill. Anyways, thank y'all for watching and have a blessed day.